What were you talking about?
Felt amazing. For the most time I was just sitting back and enjoy Rohit Bhai's batting. But I think we kept talking to each other, and the partnership was very important for us. And we kept talking. Rohit Bhai told me, it doesn't matter how many balls you are behind, just keep looking at the scoreboard. We have to play till the end.
How nice is it? I mean, I know you had an under-19 ICC event, you now got the T20, now this one. How nice is it for you to be part of the senior team and winning trophies still?
Definitely very satisfying. We missed out on the last one that we played in 23, and a surreal feeling to be able to win this one, starting with the ODI series in England, winning 8 ODIs back-to-back. Amazing feeling.
We're just trying to get Virat coming alongside. Can you come in with Shubman, Virat, please? What does this mean to you? I mean, a special young man and one of the greatest we've ever seen. You two in the same change room. How does it feel for you to watch him? And what are you learning off this man?
Well, it's been amazing. Firstly, we wanted to bounce back after a tough Australia tour, wanted to win a big tournament, and we ended up doing that. So it's an amazing feeling, lovely playing with a bunch of such amazing youngsters, so much talent in the change room, and they're taking Indian cricket forward in the right direction, and we're only happy to help, share our experience and try to make an impact whenever we get a chance. But yeah, these guys are stepping up in a massive way, and that's why we are such a strong team.
How much of an impact is he making?
Watching him on the TV when I was a kid and then playing against him and seeing the intensity at which he plays at is just phenomenal to watch. And I think it tells us what the game is all about, giving his everything, and that's the only thing that he talks about, even off the field as well. Give your everything when you're playing on the field. And for him to be able to back his words like that is just phenomenal.
Is this the sort of thing that still drives you, Virat? These tournaments, these wins, being in and around this changing room?
Yeah, for sure. I mean, these are the things after playing for so long, such a long career. You look forward to situations where you're put under pressure and you walk in and you put your hand up. And I think to win titles, which has kind of been missing in the past, the whole team has to step up in different games. And if you see this tournament over a course of 5 matches, everyone has put their hand up somewhere or the other. And that's why we ended up winning this tournament. And people have made such impactful knocks, such impactful spells. And it's only a collective effort that can win you a title. And I'm just so happy that we were able to play as a unit, just really enjoy ourselves. We've had such an amazing time as a team here in practice sessions, off the field, on the field. It's been, honestly, an amazing, amazing tournament for us.
We know you've got more in you, but when that time does come, you're leaving it in some pretty capable hands.
Oh, for sure. I mean, as Shubman said, I try to speak to these guys as much as possible, try to share my experience, how I've been able to play for so long, try to step in wherever I can to help improve their games. And it's only, as they rightly say, when you leave, you want to leave the place in a better position, and that's our effort. That's what we're striving for, that when eventually we are finally done at whatever stage, we have a squad that's ready to take on the world for the next 8-10 years. And these guys definitely have the talent to do so, and also the game awareness. And they've stepped up already, so many impactful innings. This guy has played, Shreyas, beautiful. KL's been finishing games, so Hardik's a match winner, so we are in good hands.
Just a word on the final, and they're playing against New Zealand, how much you enjoy that, and how tough an opponent they are.
They're very consistent. They come up with plans and they execute it with the utmost accuracy that they can, and playing against them is always a challenge. We know that they're gonna give it their all, whether be it in batting, bowling or fielding, and we definitely saw that tonight. Wasn't that easy chase for us, and credit to them, the way they come out and play consistent cricket.
And I know you've got a long history with some of the New Zealand players, Kane in particular. Sad to see him not on the field for the fielding side of things tonight, but your experiences playing against New Zealand?
Well, amazing. We've always been in awe of what they can do with the limited number of players they've had over the years, and just maximize their talent to the absolute maximum. Every time we played against them in big games, they're going to come with a set plan, and no other team in world cricket executes plans as well as they do. They just know, every fielder knows where the bowler's going to bowl, and you can sense it. They're all attacking the ball because they know the bowler's going to be so accurate. So credit to them. They've been probably the most consistent team in the last few years in big tournaments. And the reason for that is their immense belief in their skills and the amount of talent they have. They utilize that to the maximum, and easily the best fielding side in the world. So yeah, huge shout out to them. They continue to display why they are one of the top teams in the world. And again, a great campaign. Sad to see a very good friend of mine on the losing side, but I've been on the losing side a couple of times when he's been on the winning side. So only love between us.
Absolutely brilliant to watch you both throughout the tournament. Congratulations, celebrate well, and excellent performance. Thank you so much. Yeah, thanks very much. KL Rahul alongside me. KL, how does that one feel? Very calm and composed is what it looked like. Is that how it was?
I don't think I can say this on camera, but I was shitting myself at the end. But yeah, we still had a couple of batters to come, so yeah, I was confident that we could get over the line. But yeah, in moments like this and big games, it's more about holding your composure, which we all know about it, but it's not easy. But yeah, happy to win this and happy to get over the line this time.
बिल्कुल मेरे साथ रविंद्र जाडेजा है। जब मैच खत्म होती है तो आप हर वक्त होते हैं वहाँ पे?
ये मेरा नंबर ऐसा है कि कभी हीरो या कभी ज़ीरो बनने का चांस होता है, बट लकीली नहीं, हार्दिक और केएल ने लास्ट 10 ओवर में अच्छा पार्टनरशिप किया, क्योंकि विकेट इतना इजी नहीं था, रन निकालना इतना इजी नहीं था नए बैट्समैन के लिए, बट वो जो हार्दिक और केएल ने छोटा सा पार्टनरशिप किया, वो वहाँ से पूरा गेम का मोमेंटम चेंज हुआ।
एक और बड़ा टूर्नामेंट, एक और अनबीटन टूर्नामेंट, क्या मायने रखता है आपके लिए करियर के इस स्टेज में?
बहुत ही मायने रखता है कि इंडिया के लिए आप खेल रहे हो और चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी जीत रहे हो और आप वो टीम के हिस्से हो, तो मेरे ख्याल से वो बहुत बड़ी बात है, क्योंकि इतने साल क्रिकेट खेलने के बाद अगर आप कोई बड़ा टूर्नामेंट नहीं जीत पा रहे हो तो आपको कहीं ना कहीं रिग्रेट सा फील होता है। बट लकीली हम लास्ट 2 साल में 24 का T20 वर्ल्ड कप और ये चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी हम जीते हैं, तो बहुत ही अच्छी बात है टीम इंडिया के लिए।
वैसे
Hardik, thanks for your time. Sum up your feelings, please.
No, it's always amazing to win ICC event and especially Champions Trophy. You know, I remember 2017 very closely to my heart. We could not finish the job that time, but very, very pleased with the way we have played throughout the tournament, and at the same point of time, how everyone contributed. That was fantastic.
Some great friends, some great mates on the side. How nice was to see KL finish that off?
Oh, brilliant. You know, that was calm, composed. You know, he took his chances at the right point of time. I think this is what KL Rahul is. You know, KL Rahul has immense talent, and I don't think anyone can hit the ball the way he can. You know, I think that was just an exhibition of how he did today.
Thanks very much, Varun Chakravarti alongside me. You're not going to get any earrings like Shreyas, are you?
I didn't get you.
You're not going to get earrings like Shreyas?
I do have. See,
You're going to get a new one though?
no, I'll get it. Yeah,
You've got a memento there, nicely done. How have you enjoyed the tournament? I know you missed the first 2 games.
yeah. It was a sudden inclusion, and I didn't expect it to turn out like this, and it's a dream come true.
टॉकिंग टू वरुण, नाउ टॉकिंग टू कुलदीप। वैसे पैड्स पहन रखे हैं आप, उसकी जरूरत नहीं पड़ी?
Luckily, बिल्कुल credit goes to KL bhai and Jaddu bhai to finishing the game.
कैसे महसूस होता है, क्योंकि इतनी बड़ी टूर्नामेंट, फुल हाउस है, कुछ खास लग रहा होगा अंदर से?
बिल्कुल, एक्सपेक्टेशंस बहुत रहती है जब आप बहुत अच्छी क्रिकेट खेल रहे हो ओवर द ईयर्स, तो आप जब जाते हो टूर्नामेंट में फेवरेट्स की तरह जाते हो, बट मैं बिलीव नहीं करता हूँ फेवरेट्स पे ऐसे टैग पे, बट बिल्कुल अच्छी क्रिकेट ओवर द लास्ट फ्यू ईयर्स हम खेल रहे हैं, और जिस तरह से एक्सपेक्टेशंस फैंस की है हमारे, तो मैं उनको ये हमारी तरफ से ये जीत उनको, और जिस तरह से हमने एक गेम पूरा टूर्नामेंट खेला है वो वाकई लाजवाब था।
4 स्पिनर, सबका अलग अलग रोल था। आपको ऐसा लगा कि नहीं, मुझे जल्दी जाके विकेटें लेनी है पहले?
नहीं, बिल्कुल है, बहुत मुश्किल है मैनेज करना। बहुत इजी है बोलना कि 4 स्पिनर से एक टीम में खेल रहे हैं, बट बहुत मुश्किल है 4 स्पिनर को मैनेज करना फील्ड पे, और जिस तरह से रोहित भाई ने मैनेज किया वो बहुत अच्छा था, बहुत आउटस्टैंडिंग मुझे लगता है, क्योंकि बैट्समैन को रीड करना और किस सिचुएशन में कौन बैटिंग करने आएगा, फिर किस तरह से किसको बॉल पे लगाना है, तो वो प्लानिंग थी। मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि आज की प्लानिंग है, 2-3 दिन से प्लानिंग कर रहे थे कि हाँ जो उनका बैटिंग लाइनअप है वो कैसे कब बॉल डालना है, तो वाकई लाजवाब था।
पार्टी है शाम को, तो बड़ी पार्टी
बिल्कुल बनती है पार्टी, और पूरा इंडिया पार्टी करेगा आज।
क्यों नहीं? वेल प्लेड।